Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your earbuds QCY MeloBuds Pro. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the case. Open the lid and your headphones should be inside the case. At the bottom, near to USB-C port, we have this connection button, and to perform the factory reset you need to press and hold this button for at least 10 seconds until you will see the red LED light. So press and hold, firstly it enters to pairing mode, so these earbuds start blinking white. It's okay, don't worry, just keep holding this button. And now we have the red LED light, so we need to wait until it finished, so it 5 flashes, and these earbuds just perform the reset. Then we should reconnect them with the phone, so go to the settings, Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then click Forget the Device button, or you may have Forget Device, or Forget, or Unpair, or Remove. And Forget Device. And we just remove them. Now, if you have Android, you need to click Pair Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have refresh button, tap at this button. After that, you will see these earbuds at the device list. Tap on them, and we just reconnect them. If you want to reconnect also these earbuds with the application, open QCY app. Let me reopen it. And as you can see, it automatically reconnects with the application. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.